I was recently gifted this fence post repair kit. It's a long spike that you drive into the ground, and then it has these bolt holes that you screw to the post, and comes with a nice set of instructions to show you how, and even a piece of wood to keep from tarnishing the metal as you hit it in with the hammer. So the kit comes with 2 of these, so that you can fix like a gate or a 2 post that connects to a fence, or in this case it's a grapevine trellis. So this is a 4x4 post, and I'm hoping to drive this in beside of it and pull the post back and then screw it into it. So it's very heavy duty, very well made. It's got some angle pieces here to add strength. The welds seem to be very good, and overall looks like it's very good quality. Even comes with its a drill bit to start pilot holes, and then a bit to screw in the screws that it comes with.